So Miss Cooper is on my ledge here, right? I don't know if you can tell or not, but I'm trying not to scare her, so I'm trying to blend in with the tree. Oh, she spotted me. Sorry. Hi, sweetheart. Yeah. So exactly what I was going to say. She looks like she has like upper respiratory infection or something. Or I don't know, but her breathing looks a little weird. Ooh. Get the black and white sneakers. You're so pretty. Yeah, so anyway, I was sitting there because she's sitting there. Oh, it's really windy today. I know that. I'm really glad that you're able to just chill, Coobird. Yeah. Oh! You're stretching your neck out. Yeah. She looks like she has an upper respiratory infection or something. She's just been sitting there. Stretching her neck out. Huh. Are you okay? But I was picking up on the microplastics again today. I keep seeing the water bottles and stuff. They keep pointing out to me. And Coobird, my beginning with the Coobird was her letting me know about the microplastics with the small black dots on the bottom of their backs. When I first seen her, I looked it up, and where I seen the same symbolism looking like it on an article that was talking about microplastics. And that's coming up again. So something about, I don't know, like respiratory failure, possibly even kidney, something. Yeah, kidney, microplastics. Somebody just could have kidney issues. Sitting. Oh. Looks like, I don't know. She was flinching or something. Oh. Come on, baby. Oh, it's windy.